Good afternoon. Myself Ramji Singh here, Managing Director of Schmersal India. Schmersal India is set up as a 100% subsidiary of Schmersal Germany. It's now 18 years old company in India, having manufacturing plant in Ranjangaon. In this exhibition, we are presenting the complete machine system, solution and services. We are giving a solution to the customer and presenting here to go to the next level of automation with the more digital solution. So we are moving like a safety 4.0 with the complete digital solution like digital lotto, energy management system, as well as getting a data on IoT. And we are also going to monitor the efficiency of each and every safety products and machines. Thank you very much.
And sir, about this Expo automation?
This automation, we have a very high regards to have getting a quality customers, and this always sets the new benchmark and gives the presentation to the customer for all the new technology and gives message to the customer to get all the new technology and encourage them to visit here to get the lot of new informations which can help them to upgrade their automation system. Thank you.